see here, I'm the most punctual in here in the event. So I'm just waiting for the other vloggers to come. So they will be launching their new product here. Ganun yung may canators. Pa na bata. Oh, you good. Nana jud ang langga na Cindy. What you gonna ask? Grabe, bago na wag to ko eglos. Tagbo ko pangito niya. Sa demo. Nag-work mo gani wala na. Cindy ka pa. Oh, ganun. Ako artista na. Look at the outfit, guys. So nature. Hi guys, Miss Naomi is here. Can I vlog you? Hi. She's my idol. Oh my gosh. What's your vlog? Micah Sanchez. About family lang. Oh, my son. Oh, I love your dad. Thank you. I'm hiding them. Actually, this product, I tried this one earlier. So smooth in the skin. And also mabango siya, guys. Here, go to the nearest mall in your place and then visit this store, the Kiehl's. Yeah, they have finger fruits in here, so yeah. And top na sleeveless. Skirt. Yeah. Okay, look at the foods, guys. It's here. Ayan guys, ito yung nagkadaog ka, 20k nag-giveaway. Guys, let's eat. Lakaw na me, bye-bye. Ha? Kaya ka na mo? Oo, manmi ko eh. Tara. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye guys. Guys, tapos na yung event. I'm with Celine and the other guys. Yan.
So, hindi na ko mayang mag-vlog din sila. Paano na kami dito? Paano? Ay, nag-ano na.
Stop kayo sila. at my face. Guys, so, umanda ka kay daghan mi.
Subscribe to my channel.
Guys, snacks muna kami. Feeling other girls in here. Kain-kain kami kasi. Ayun, kasi tapos na ang event. Ayan. Guys, uwi na ako. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. Bye-bye. Uwi na ako. Guys, I'm here now at Cybergate. So, andito yung anak ko kasama yung friend ko. Sa kanya ko kasi iniwan si Kio. So, makikita kami ngayon. Ay, shish! Ay, shish! Ay, shish! Ay, shish! Ay, shish! Ay, shish! Siya yung buki ko. Mama! Okay, ari. Mama! Say hi! Yeah, hi, guys!
Hi guys! You will watch me, Mama! Hi guys!
So, yan guys, I'm back. So, just arrived here in the house. Kakauwi ko lang. Kasi after Ayala, after the event, we went to Burger King. Nag-snacks kami, mga kasamahan ko. Kasama din pala si Miss Feline yun. Kasama namin siya kanina. Tapos, after that, muna akong umalis kasi I have to go to Cybergate to fetch my son. Then, after that, umuwi na kami dito sa bahay. So, yan. Kakauwi lang namin. It's 6:59 PM. So, yun. Dito na ako sa bahay. So, first, I was so happy guys kasi nakita ko ulit yung mga kako-vloggers ko, yung mga kasamahan ko na mga bago pa lang katulad ko, and also yung mga vloggers na iniidolo namin, katulad nila Chinky, nila Feline, yung mga isa sa mga vloggers here in Cebu na mga idol namin yan sila. Tapos, and also, Naomi, nakita ko din siya. Yan, ang ganda niya. Parang, nakita ko din siya. Parang siyang si Miss Lucy Torres, actually, guys. Ang ganda niya. So, yeah, I would like also to say thank you to Miss Chinky. Thank you again, sis. Tapos na ako nagpasalamat sa'yo. Thank you pa rin ulit. Thank you for referring Cindy, and then Cindy invited us to attend sa event. Yon, happy din ako doon. So, that's it for today guys, and see you again in my next vlog. Thank you so much. Have a good day and have a good night rather, and God bless us all. Thank you. Bye.